Well, this is how my morning is starting. I'm digging up this backflow so that I can install a master valve and a flow meter that will eventually get connected to a piece of equipment that will send that information wirelessly to another piece of equipment. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to explain how my morning was going. I started digging this out. Actually, let me back up a second. I had police circling my house looking for somebody who must have robbed the gas station down the street, so that made things interesting this morning. But I eventually got off to work, and here I am. So I started digging this up, and I could see that the elbow was going to lead me in this direction, and then I found that it didn't. So I came back over here to try to figure out what was going on. It looks like somebody used 490s to repair this line. And then, as I go to dig this up so that I can continue digging in this direction to install my equipment, basically right here, I run into a giant piece of concrete. I was taking this piece of concrete out of here, and I went to go put it over there, and as I was holding it, when I tossed it, I guess it got caught in between the pole right there, and it smashed my finger right in the wall, right there.